Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to toggle Bluetooth off and on in these settings. So open up the settings app. Now we're going to go to connections and turn the Bluetooth off by tapping on this switch right here. Now it's turned off and we're going to turn it on again. As you guys can see, we got some paired devices. These are my AirPods. Now what you guys want to do here is unpair and repair the same device in Bluetooth settings. So press on the gear icon, tap Unpair and click Unpair again. Now you need to put your headphones in the pairing mode, and for the AirPods you just tap twice on the case. Now it should be white right here, and that's how after you click scan they should be available. So yes, they are. Now we just click pairing, click pair, and now they are connected again. And after that, if it still did not help, you need to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. So to restart those AirPods, these are the AirPods Pro Freeze. Now, if you want to restart them, you just close the case for a couple of seconds, then open it again. And for the phone, we're going to press the power button, the volume down button, and now press restart and tap again to restart the device. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after restart, what we're going to do here is we're going to go over and update our software to fix any connectivity glitches. So this is very important. Now we're gonna go to the settings, and here we're gonna update our software to fix those connectivity bugs. We're gonna go to software update, and it's almost at the bottom. Here we're gonna of course click download and install. You need Wi-Fi for it, remember. And my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, and as of this video, the latest version is One UI 8.0 and Android 16. And as a last resort, what we're going to do here is go over to general management, go to reset, and scroll down until you see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This is what we want to reset. Now as you guys can see, it's done. We got rid of Wi-Fi connection, so now we need to connect to Wi-Fi again, and we need to pair our headphones again. So that's how we can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.